YouTube? I hope that your day has been going great, and today I'm going to be doing a different type of video. I'm going to be doing a tech DIY type video. I'm going to be showing you how to get a Blacklight on your mobile phone or pretty much any flashlight that you can find. But since we're going to be using this kind of tape, we're just going to be doing it on my iPhone. But it works on Android and any other flashlight. So all you want to do is make sure that it's only that you have clear tape, a blue Sharpie, and a red marker. And all you want to do with the tape is make sure that it's only over the flashlight. So as you can see, it's only over the flashlight. And once you've done that, you just want to take your blue marker and go ahead and color over that little area. So once you've done that, go ahead and get another piece of tape and do the same thing. Go ahead and make sure that that's on there nice and good. And again, color that little circle in one more time. Now on camera, this is actually a lot lighter than it is in real life. It's actually quite dark. So I would only recommend doing this part twice and then go ahead and get another piece of tape and do this one more time, but with a red marker. So go ahead and place your tape down and get your red marker, preferably a Sharpie, but I'm just going to be using this random red marker. Now just color that circle in. You're not going to notice too much of a change because it's red and blue. I'll make black or purple, I think, something like that. But as you can tell, it's almost blackish looking, purple. Has a purple tint to it, kinda. And after you do that, you're done. So you can just go ahead and shine your flashlight, and there you go. You have your Blacklight. I hope that you liked this video, and if you did, make sure that you like, subscribe, and comment. And as always, peace out.